Hello, Brian and Joseph. This is your machine. 10 times a day. As you can see, the color is the same with the compressor. The compressor is bigger. It's also the same color like that. We already finished the evaporator, and all the components arrived in my factory. We're going to start assembling this afternoon, and very soon we're going to finish making the machine. I believe we can finish manufacturing your machine around February 20th. Hello, Brian and Joseph. This is the video to show the manufacturing process of your machine. As you can see, we already charge nitrogen into the system for gas leaking test. We will keep gas leaking test for 2 days, and then we're going to charge refrigerant into the system and then test your machine. Yes, you can see we have not yet put the ice cutter. This is the compressor of your machine. This is the compressor model. As you can see, it's a 30 horsepower compressor. It's more power saving. It will be designed to work with a 220 voltage, 60 Hz. Okay, this is the compressor. Vertical liquid receiver, oil separator, accumulator, water cooling condenser above there. Okay, you see the ice generator. Liquid level sensor. I think I will very soon make more videos to show its working performance when we test your machine. Okay, let me share the video with you. Hello, Joseph and Brian. Your machine is defreezing again. Again, let me make the video to show the quality of ice made by your machine. I will put some ice here, and then we can check the quality of your ice. This is the best quality and the strongest ice in the market. And your machine is very power saving. You will be making the best quality ice with the most power saving technology. You can see your machine's running power is no more than 30 kilowatts. Your ice business will be much more profitable than your competitors.